Have you ever wondered how to get maximum views on your video? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of your YouTube videos? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the views on YouTube videos? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know to ensure your video gets maximum views. Now let's get into it. Target keywords. Firstly, use Google's keyword research tool to generate ideas for the subject of your video. If you're just starting out, try and find keywords that get 500-1000 searches a month, and make sure the keywords you find relate to the subject of your next video. Next, do a search in Google for the keywords you've found in Step 1. If the searches yield more than 50,000 results, they're too competitive. Go back to the keyword tool and focus on more specific or narrow keywords. Create your video. Create your video using whatever process works for you, but make sure it is relevant to the keywords you are targeting. Publish your video. Upload your video to YouTube, and create a compelling title for the video that includes the primary keywords you found in Step 1. Write a decent description of your video on YouTube that explains what your video is about, and include keywords if they are relevant. Don't worry about stuffing keywords in the description, just include them if they naturally fit into your writing. Add all the keywords you found in Step 1 as tags. You will need to separate keyword phrases with tags, so if you have multiple word double quotes keywords, enclose them in double quotes. Boost your video. You can promote your video using numerous means. If you're lucky enough to have a following on YouTube itself, Facebook, Twitter, or other means, you know what to do. Otherwise, effective promotion techniques. Whether you are just getting started or already have significant traffic, there are numerous methods you can use to promote your video. This section is really the most effective part of YouTube video SEO. 1-hour links. 1hourlinks.com is a simple service that creates links to a website address of your choice, and charges per quantity of links generated for you. They are cheap, and you can use this service to cheaply generate links to your YouTube video using the keywords you targeted in Step 1. Don't go overboard when you first use it. Generate a handful of links at a time, and steadily increase the number you buy each week until your video starts getting bumped up the search results. Article marketing. You've probably seen that video saying that marketing isn't effective, but that's just not true. If you can publish one quality article a week to reputable article directories, you will benefit from building quality links back to your YouTube URL. Here's a list of the best article directories to use. Articleblast.com, superarticles.com, articlesfactory.com, usedu.com, articlescompilation.com, goarticles.com, atriclezones.com, designpost.com, designmark.com, articlefield.com. In addition, it's worth publishing articles to Web 2.0 sites such as blogger.com, squidoo.com, wordpress.org, and hubspot.com. Boost your articles. Once you've got articles on all of these websites, go back to 1hourlinks.com and actually pay for links to the articles. This technique allows you to boost the link juice to the article pages, which in turn pass that link juice to your video URL as the final destination. This is a powerful and effective link building structure that's simple to execute, it just takes a little work. How to pull all this together? By now you've learned the key steps to video SEO on YouTube. Target keywords effectively, publish your video on YouTube with those keywords, then write articles that link to your video, and use services to boost the page rank of your articles. The web world is full of information, but the typical attention span of an online persona is that of a goldfish. In this scenario, videos get the upper hand while trying to engage the attention of online users. The current surge of online popularity for companies or individuals is well defined by visual content promotion. The world of online video is thriving in a huge way, and as a result of which people are posting online. Google-owned video hub of people's choice, YouTube, is the second largest online search engine. This fact displays the importance of YouTube videos and how important will it be in the near future. Online promoters take note of this point and choose YouTube as their primary video promotion platform. While creating a video is fun and simple, there are certain points that visual content makers must keep in mind for ease of promotion. The first few seconds of it is crucial and can deliver concise and targeted messages to viewers. It helps to engage audiences and pique their curiosity about your video. This way your chances of promoting YouTube videos become higher and also carve the pathway for it to become viral. There are several engaging YouTube content and chances of people stumbling across it are rare. YouTube, more than millions of visual content are being uploaded on YouTube every day, making the platform saturated. To gain online visibility, one needs to understand and learn ways how to promote YouTube videos. The effective ways of visual promotion are discussed below. Optimize title and description. It is a vital step while trying to promote YouTube content. YouTube already has its own search engine based on visibility and traffic. One can customize it by including their descriptions. The video title, as well as description, is important as they provide an overview of the clip. It works like SEO, where the primary focus is on keywords that are used by people while searching for your video or related content. Video collaboration. Collaborated videos are one of the most effective ways to get more views on YouTube. It also helps to elevate online exposure and spread awareness. Collaboration is important as when you unite with another YouTuber whose content is related to yours, you instantly get to expose your YouTube channel to their complete audience. It will be mutually beneficial. Using social media plugins. Today, many people use social media to meet new people and make friends. They also use social media to discuss life events, music, and other trending content. Apart from YouTube, Facebook offers a good platform to advertise and promote YouTube videos online. You can post the video for Facebook users to view, like, comment on, and share it. Along with it, an engaging description is also required. Facebook users can help to generate a huge amount of web traffic, leading to sales. Marketing your YouTube content is a foolproof way to win the audience and update them. However, no matter how captivating your video clip, it must be optimized for viewers and video search engines. With YouTube promotion, you get the upper hand to implement an online promotion campaign for your visual content. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video. Ensure your video gets maximum views. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.